But then there's this airlock feature with this giant metal disc that comes across.
Hey, good morning everyone. We are starting with 96% only, not fully charged, and 52 kilometers on the gum. Need to put this one in drive. So I've been told numerous times now that my videos are far too long, so we cut off the intro, we cut off the extra. There will be nothing in between anymore, no music, nothing, just me talking quickly about a single topic. Okay, let's talk about Lindqvist this morning again. Lindqvist Method. Many people have tried, many. I think everyone has tried to get back to 38 ampere hours so far. Only a few, no, that's not right. I would say more than half, the majority of people have success with it. But there are so many different variants out there now. Nobody knows exactly what to do anymore. Now, someone posted this video here. I shared it already on the forum. I link it up here and in the description down below. Someone is showing how to do a Lindqvist. And interestingly, he was disconnecting the charger before he connects back the 12 volt battery after the full charge. And apparently it makes a difference if you do this one way or the other way. We don't know. Yes, some other owners have also discovered that you don't need to wait that long. The whole Lindqvist is about resetting. Let me just drive behind this milkman here. So some people also claim that you don't need to wait at all for this whole procedure to work. It is all about resetting the BMU. Taking the power away from the BMU, let it reset, let it go back to 38 ampere hours. This is the main purpose behind the Lindqvist method. And how do you exactly achieve this is not right clear at the moment, because it all depends a little bit of your 12 volt battery's charge as well, apparently, and in what state the battery is and all this kind of stuff, you know. What we found out though is that you should leave your car alone once the process has been started. So opening tailgate, turning on lights and opening doors so the internal light turns on, this is all influencing the Lindqvist method for the worse or better sometimes. So it is quite a mix of what what can happen and what you have to do. It's not clear, and there are so many different methods now out there. It's unbelievable. So you can only try different styles. You can only try to make it work for you. Probably don't give up after 2 or 3 attempts if it doesn't work. Just keep going and eventually you will have success somehow. That was a bad idea, driving behind the milkman here. The reflection is insane. But it gives a good light on my face, right? Okay, so this video is all about finding the right procedure for the Lindqvist method. If you were successful, please leave your step-by-step procedure down in the comments. And don't share your whole story. Don't make it long as my videos used to be. Keep it short, step-by-step procedure, done. Okay, thanks guys. This is the shortest video I've ever done. See you then. Bye bye. Hey guys, before you go, actually, I just want to ask you a favor. And as you know, my wife is this amazing artist, and she's doing all these drawings in colored pencil and other, I don't know what kind of medium she uses for that. And you have seen her exhibition here at the art gallery here a couple of months ago. And whenever I do my videos in the evening in my garage, in my workshop, in my studio, she is drawing in her studio these awesome lifelike pictures and paintings, and it looks like a photocopy of the original photos she has. It's amazing. And now she has entered a competition in England to win amazing prizes. I don't even know what the prizes are, but anyway, she got selected to be under the first 75 entries, subscribers of over 1,000. This is what the company has selected, so she's under the first 75 of the best And now they have opened this competition to the public. So everyone can vote now for their favorite picture on there. And I just want to show you, and you know, all these other art channels, they all have followers on Facebook and on Twitter and Instagram and all this kind of stuff. And they all have lots of hundreds of followers there. And they're all getting their votes from their fans, yeah, from their followers. And I said to my wife, hey, hang on, I've got a couple of friends on the internet as well. I can ask him to leave a click there. And this is pretty much all you need to do. So you click on the link, you come to the Ken Bromley Art Supply, it's in the UK website, you go all the way down, and then here comes the leftover pictures. Look at this. This is someone, this is amazing. This is amazing. And you have to find my wife's picture, which is the dog. Let me have a look. Where's the dog? It's all about the dog, right? It's in random order, so it might be in a different position on your computer. Look at this. I mean, this is just amazing. They are all amazing. We actually... There you go. There it is. That's the one you have to look for. This is the dog. Look at this. It looks so real. This is colored pencil and some other stuff I have no idea about. So this is the picture you have to look for, and this is my wife's name there. And you click first choice, and then you select two other paintings which you like. This one is good here with the old house. Second choice, and the sunset. Oh, the birdie. Third choice. And then you click on submit vote. Vote successfully cast. And this is all you have to do. This is the only favor I will ever ask you for. And the first prize is, I think, 65,000 Australian dollars, and I will buy a Tesla Model 3 from that. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the prices are. Maybe some art supplies or something. My wife would really appreciate that if you could click the button and vote her picture the first, and then select two other pictures you also like. And yeah, well, we will see. I'll keep you up to date what's going on with this competition, and if she maybe is under the first 3 entries then. Okay guys, thank you so much for that, and we will see us again in the next video then. Thanks, bye bye. And here it is. This is the picture you're voting for. Isn't it stunning? Looks so real.